Hybrid dreams in the city seems, melding streams were more than they seem. Fantasy and reality blur, we team in the night, fantastic beasts reign supreme. Scales and feathers, neon glow, wings and claws, we ride the flow. Part serpent, part crow, slithering high, flying low, catching the city's pulse and the beat we grow. Echoes of steps with hooves and paws, each stride tells our cause. Fur of silver, eyes of jade, in the shadows our stories are made. Through concrete jungles, our paths are drawn, with whispers of silk in the dust till dawn. Half feline grace, half bodied might, ripples on water under street lamplight. In the rustle of leaves, our laughter stirs, half glimpsed in the blur of what occurs. Part beast, part myth, entirely new, charting courses through the morning dew. Mains of fire, breath of frost. In our world no line is crossed. Feathers that gleam like a spectral dance. In the urban sprawl we seize our chance. Tales entwined, whispers shared. In our eyes the city stared. To see the wonder, to know our tales. In the hum of neon our spirit prevails. Hybrid dreams in the city seems, melding streams were more than they seem. Fantasy and reality blur where we team. In the night fantastic beasts reign supreme. Stride by stride, side by side, in the shadows we do not hide. With every heartbeat, every breath, we turn the mundane to a myth. Hybrid dreams in the city seems, melding streams were more than they seem. Fantasy and reality blur where we team. In the night fantastic beasts reign.